Kivy, a cross-platform Python GUI framework. To install it on Windows, all you have to do is to run this command: install Kivy. To test the installation, we are going to run our first Kivy app. Go to kivy.org, docs, first app, click on Game tutorial, go to the end of the file, scroll up, copy the first code, a Python code, create a new file, paste the code, save the file, main.py. Copy the second code, create a new file, paste the code, save the file, ponk.kv. Run Python main.py. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.